Hello everyone, and thank you for taking a look at this presentation. My name is Mari Sanchez. I'm an associate professor at Østfold University College, and with these slides, I'm going to talk to you about factors influencing software engineering career choice of Andean Indigenous. You'll hear me say we during the presentation. That means myself and my colleague Ricardo Colomo. Let me briefly tell you why we believe there are two major reasons why this topic is important. First, as software organizations become global, diversity becomes a feature of software development teams. In computer science, it has been widely discussed that some unrepresented profiles exist. In fact, a recent systematic literature review shows only 3 studies about ethnicity, while a systematic mapping study focuses on agile methodologies identifies only 7. Second, indigenous perspective can open new opportunities for innovation as well as enrich and improve the software engineering field in terms of sustainability and diversity. In fact, the software industry and developing countries report highlighted that professionals in the local software industry could understand best local cultural dynamics and produce solutions tailored to local needs and capabilities. In particular, it is little known how career interest of Andean indigenous evolves over time. To better understand that, we conducted 10 interviews and then we carried out 3 coding techniques proposed by grounded theory. With regard to the demographic information, our study focused on 2 Latin American countries. 8 participants came from 4 Quechua communities in Ecuador and 2 participants came from Aymara community in Bolivia. They were 7 males and 3 females. They came from different age range and they had different years of experience. The findings are categorized into 7 factors. You'll find more details in our paper. To sum up, all participants in this study reported social support to some extent from their family and friends. They experienced curiosity and wonder, and they developed a growing interest on computers that many indigenous people are still lacking. However, for them, it was a mark of privilege to have access to a computer or internet at home. Participants who achieved autonomy of use at a young age developed advanced technical skills to use computers and applications to accomplish practical tasks. Although entertainment was the initial purpose to use technology for most of the participants. At some point, they realized that technology can be a way to improve their economic conditions. All participants were proud to be indigenous. However, ethnic discrimination was reported and some participants displayed hardiness. Finally, it's worth to mention that identity provides guidance to work ethic. Despite that the small sample is a major limitation, these factors should be taken into account in future research. This exploratory study is based on qualitative analysis and it aims to understand how Andean indigenous people made the jump from a group that is woefully unrepresented in software engineering to professionals in that same field. Raising the voices of indigenous men and women, we hope that this study will foster interest in research on ethnic and gender differences in software engineering career choice and enhances a better understanding of this phenomenon while promoting equity of opportunities within the scope of software engineering. Thank you very much for watching this presentation.